Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing of highly rated winger Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC on a long-term deal. Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch have finally reached an agreement for the 21-year-old winger, who also agreed to personal terms. The deal ends long negotiations between the two Betway Premiership clubs, with Amakhosi succeeding in their pursuit of the South African Youth International, after Stellenbosch initially reluctant to part ways with one of their brightest stars, slapping Kaizer Chiefs with a 16 million rand price tag for the player. And Kaizer Chiefs had multiple offers rejected until they offered Stellenbosch FC defender Given Msimango and forward Ashley Dupree alongside a cash payment for the move of Langelihle Phili. Now, Ashley Dupree has already agreed personal terms with Stellenbosch FC, and on Thursday, the 30th of July, he was spotted at an airport returning back to Stellenbosch. And Given Msimango is also expected to travel to the Winelands to complete his move to Stellenbosch FC, and he will add defensive and depth to Gavin Hunt's defensive options. And with Glodile Lepo on his way out, Langelihle Phili has emerged as an ideal replacement for the attacker. And newly appointed head coach Fernando da Cruz recently revealed that strengthening wide areas is one of the club's priorities. And Phili enjoyed a stellar rise through the club's reserve ranks, helping Stellenbosch to win the Engine Knockout Challenge, the Engine Champ of Champs, the DStv Diski Challenge, and the Premier League Next Generation Cup. His performances earned him a South Africa Under-21 call-up before making his senior debut on the final day of the 2023-24 Betway Premiership season against Richards Bay FC. He announced himself in style by scoring on his first senior start in a 5-0 CAF Confederations Cup victory over Nzingizini Spurs. And since his debut, Phili has made 72 appearances across all competitions. And his standout campaign came last season, the 2025-26 campaign, where he scored 9 goals and registered 1 assist in 39 matches. The talented winger becomes Amakhosi's 4th signing of this transfer window, following the arrival of goalkeeper Ronaldo Leina, defender Thabo Moloisane, and Tanzanian midfielder Adolf Mtasingwa. Now it means Kaizer Chiefs have bolstered their squad in every position, given that they have signed a goalkeeper, a defender, a midfielder, and now a forward. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Kaizer Chiefs to finally land a 16 million rand rated winger Langelihle Phili, using Given Msimango, Ashley Dupree as swap deals plus cash payment? Do you think that he is worth all that? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Are you impressed with this signing? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.